The Lamborghini Aventador, an epitome of automotive excellence, is a masterpiece that embodies power, luxury, and unparalleled performance. Born from the vision of Ferruccio Lamborghini, the Aventador is a testament to the Italian automaker's commitment to pushing the boundaries of engineering and design. In this video, we delve into the captivating world of the Lamborghini Aventador, exploring its breathtaking aesthetics, groundbreaking technology, and heart-stopping performance. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. A legacy of innovation and design. The Lamborghini Aventador's legacy of innovation and design traces back to the visionary founder of the company, Ferruccio Lamborghini. Born out of his dissatisfaction with the performance of existing sports cars, Lamborghini set out to create a vehicle that would surpass all expectations and redefine automotive engineering. Ferruccio Lamborghini, a successful industrialist and tractor manufacturer, had a passion for luxury cars. However, his dissatisfaction with the Ferrari he owned led him to believe he could build a better sports car. In 1963, he founded Automobili Lamborghini and set out to make his dream a reality. One of the key aspects of Lamborghini's design philosophy was to create a car that exuded power and aggression while maintaining a sleek and aerodynamic form. This principle is evident in the striking aesthetics of the Aventador, with its sharp lines, angular contours, and bold stance. Every element of the exterior design serves a purpose, not only in terms of aesthetics, but also in optimizing aerodynamics and enhancing performance. Another iconic feature of the Aventador is its scissor doors, which have become a signature trait of Lamborghini's flagship models. These upward-opening doors not only add a touch of drama. Stepping inside the Aventador reveals a luxurious cockpit designed with meticulous attention to detail. The interior combines high-quality materials, exquisite craftsmanship, and advanced technology to create an environment that immerses the driver in pure automotive luxury. The driver-centric layout places all controls within easy reach, ensuring an intuitive and immersive driving experience. Lamborghini's commitment to innovation extends beyond aesthetics and into the realm of advanced engineering. The Aventador is built around a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque, which provides exceptional strength and rigidity while keeping weight to a minimum. Powertrain and performance. At the heart of the Lamborghini Aventador lies a formidable powertrain that propels this supercar to breathtaking speeds and delivers an exhilarating driving experience. Designed to push the limits of performance, the Aventador's powertrain combines raw power, advanced technology, and precision engineering. Powering the Aventador is a mighty V12 engine, a signature feature of Lamborghini's flagship models. The naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine is a true masterpiece, producing awe-inspiring power and a spine-tingling soundtrack. With its high-revving nature and exhilarating acceleration, the engine delivers an adrenaline rush that is unmatched. The Aventador's power is harnessed and delivered to all four wheels through an advanced all-wheel drive system. This system ensures maximum traction and control, allowing the car to unleash its power efficiently in various driving conditions. The intelligent torque distribution system constantly monitors the driving conditions and adjusts the power delivery to optimize performance and handling. Acceleration is a defining characteristic of the Aventador, with its blistering speed that can catapult the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a matter of seconds. The exact figures vary depending on the specific model and edition, but it is not uncommon for the Aventador to achieve sub-3-second acceleration times. The top speed of the Aventador also reaches astonishing numbers, making it a formidable force on both road and track. Cutting-edge technology. The Lamborghini Aventador showcases cutting-edge technology that not only enhances its performance, but also elevates the driving experience to new heights. From advanced materials to state-of-the-art systems, the Aventador is a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to innovation and pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering. One of the standout technological features of the Aventador is its extensive use of carbon fiber. The car's monocoque chassis is constructed using lightweight carbon fiber reinforced polymer, CFRP, which provides exceptional strength while keeping weight to a minimum. This results in improved performance, agility, and fuel efficiency. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in the Aventador's performance, and Lamborghini has employed advanced aerodynamic technologies to optimize airflow and increase downforce. The car features active aerodynamic components, including an adjustable rear wing and front flaps, which automatically adapt to driving conditions to maximize stability and cornering grip. Inside the cabin, the Aventador boasts a range of advanced infotainment and connectivity features. The centrally positioned touchscreen display provides access to navigation, audio controls, and vehicle settings. Integration with smartphones allows for seamless connectivity and access to a range of apps and services. Limited editions and special models. In addition to the standard Aventador models, Lamborghini has released a series of limited editions and special models that further elevate the exclusivity and performance of this extraordinary supercar. These limited-run variants showcase unique features, enhanced performance, and special design elements that make them highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts. One notable example is the Aventador SVJ, Super Veloce Jota, a track-focused variant that takes the Aventador's performance to new heights. With increased power, aerodynamic enhancements, and cutting-edge technologies, the SVJ delivers unparalleled performance and sets new records on racetracks around the world. Another special edition is the Aventador S, which offers a refined balance between road-going comfort and track performance. It features a more aggressive design, improved handling dynamics, and enhanced interior options, providing a tailored experience for discerning customers. Lamborghini has also released special models paying tribute to the brand's heritage, such as the Aventador Miura Homage. Inspired by the iconic Miura, the limited edition features design elements reminiscent of the classic sports car, celebrating Lamborghini's rich history while incorporating modern performance and technology. These limited editions and special models not only offer exclusivity, but also serve as platforms for Lamborghini to showcase their latest advancements in technology and design, pushing the boundaries of automotive excellence even further. Ownership experience and maintenance. Owning a Lamborghini Aventador is more than just owning a supercar. It is an exclusive ownership experience accompanied by unparalleled support and service. Lamborghini's commitment to customer satisfaction extends beyond the initial purchase and is evident in their comprehensive ownership programs and maintenance services. The Lamborghini brand embodies exclusivity and prestige, and Aventador owners become part of a distinguished community of automotive enthusiasts. The ownership experience is enhanced by the Lamborghini Ad Personam program, which allows customers to personalize their Aventador according to their individual preferences, creating a bespoke and unique masterpiece. Lamborghini's global dealer network ensures that Aventador owners have access to dedicated service centers staffed by trained technicians who specialize in Lamborghini vehicles. These service centers provide exceptional care, maintenance, and repair services to ensure that the Aventador remains in optimal condition and retains its peak performance. Maintenance of the Aventador is a specialized process, and Lamborghini offers detailed service schedules and guidelines to ensure that the car is properly cared for. Regular maintenance procedures include oil changes, brake inspections, and various system checks to maintain the vehicle's reliability and performance. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.